So another question, not just hangover, a lot of people vomit, and it is believed it is maybe there is the role of some stomach lining that is in the picture. Could you please explain why this process occur? Like, why do a lot of people just vomit out after drinking alcohol?
Right. So vomiting can be due to quite a few causes. If you remember, I mentioned to you that alcohol as a substance, that is C2H5OH, that is ethanol, it's a toxic substance and it causes toxicity to all cells, human cells. We are at the moment talking about the liver cells, but it is toxic to all cells. Okay, so the first place where it can cause its toxicity is actually the stomach lining. Okay, so if it is the sensitive thin stomach lining for a relatively naive person, he develops a condition called gastritis. When it goes down into the intestines, it's called enteritis. So therefore, when the stomach is hurt, it's almost like if you were to take a lot of red chilies, you would possibly feel hurt in the stomach and it might induce vomiting. The same could happen here. You could vomit. The other reason is that, because alcohol is toxic to other organs as well, so apart from the stomach, now it might get coupled with the liver, for example, or the pancreas. So vomiting is actually a sensation that there is some discomfort in the abdomen. Okay, so reflexly the body is trying to throw it out. Okay, so that is one way of looking at it. And I think that one has to also take it as a nature's way of warning you that things are not going quite well, so you might as well be off that.
Okay. So can we say that the body is not reflecting good to the toxins that are inside and throwing it out?
Yeah, and one other point I would say that alcohol sometimes makes you feel very giddy or dizzy. So if suppose you are inebriated and you lose your sense of balance and it hurts your balancing apparatus in the brain, or it goes to your brain and it makes you feel very, very groggy, that also induces a lot of vomiting sensation in a lot of people. So in short, the vomiting could be due to both local factors in the stomach as well as cerebral factors, central factors.